Alrighty guys, welcome back. So we're just out here tonight, looking to locate some turkeys. And obviously I'm still just at home, but we can actually do an owl hoot here sometimes and get some turkeys to respond back in that area, and even over on the ridge over there. So in years past, that is. This year I've done it maybe 2 or 3 times, and I've been able to get there's a one tom that answers back over that way. So anyway, we're just going to give her a go here and try here, and then we're gonna hop in the truck and try and hit up a couple different spots. So alrighty, well, we gave her a go. No, I didn't get any answer here. So now we're gonna hop in the truck and try and go find some other ones. So this is actually the first night that I've even been able to go out and try and locate. For the last like 2 weeks, we've just had like, I don't know, gale force winds. Honestly, like in the evenings, it's been like 30-40 kilometer-hour winds, and I mean you can't hear anything. So, not to mention, I mean, you know, what's today, Wednesday night. The opener is Saturday. Now I'm not able to go out Saturday morning. Jess is working, so I got the kids. So I'm not actually going to get out turkey hunting until Sunday probably. So not a big deal. But anyway, so this is early enough for me to do any scouting. Like I said, what does that give me tonight? Wednesday night, Thursday night, Friday night. Yeah, 4 nights. Gives me 4 nights of scouting. Some deer out in the oat field there. So we're just gonna go and try and locate some birds here on some of the properties that we have permission to hunt, and see if there's any birds hanging around. Now I will say, I was talking to a buddy of mine there tonight actually, and we were both talking how there's just not a ton of birds around right now. So I'm not exactly sure why. And sorry for the video, guys. I know it's dark in here, but bear with me. But yeah, for whatever reason, there's just not. It doesn't seem like there's a ton of birds around, especially in the areas that I have permission to hunt. So, kind of disheartening in a way, but it is what it is. And I'm sure, with that being said, we'll still get onto a bird or two. It just not the amount of birds that we're used to. That's all. But anyway, we're just pulling up here to another spot, so we'll get out and give her a go. I don't know if you guys heard that, but that was right there. And that is right on some property that we have permission to hunt. So we'll give her another go here. Well, we got him to answer the ones. Like I said, he's up on that point of bush there. I was actually kind of expecting them to be back here. With that being said, they do normally roost up here in years past. But for some reason I was kind of thinking back here this year. I'll give her one more go. Yeah. Boom. Right there, boys. Okay. So we'll hop back in the truck here. Alright, how about I turn the dome light on in here so you guys can actually see me. Alright. Well, that's kind of getting me pumped up now. Whew. It's always a little more exciting when you can start roosting the birds and you're getting answers. So, alrighty, we're at the next crossroad here, so we're gonna try and get a different angle on these guys. Okay, I can just hear them. They're way over to the right. So they're actually at the back right-hand corner of the property that I have permission to hunt. Okay, we'll carry on. Alright, we're at our next little location here. Sometimes the birds will they'll roost back in there, back in that little valley. But anyway, carry on. I think we got enough time probably to make one more stop. We'll see you guys over there. Alrighty, guys. We're at our last location there for the evening. So we'll give her a go. Well. Nothing here. Which I know that there is turkeys here because I see them. So I know that there are turkeys in this area. But I've always actually had troubles with locating them here, and I don't know why. Most other places I can I have pretty good luck locating, and year after year, this spot here, I mean, there's tons of birds around, but for whatever reason, I always have a hard time locating. I do get them to answer every once in a while, but I would say more times than not, I don't get a response. So there's like I don't know how well you guys can see over there, but there's like an island of trees over there, and there's usually always birds roosted there, and there's always birds roosted at the end of this road. So yeah. Anyway, at least we got some birds to answer tonight. First night out. Always nice to hear some gobbling. So, I really want to get my ground blind put out. I know it's late. I probably should have had it put out a while ago. But, like I said, we've been getting like crazy winds every day for the last like 2 weeks. So, didn't really want to put my blind out during all that crap. And just time-wise, I just haven't had the time to get out and do that. So, maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow I can get the blind out. A couple reasons. One, the one spot that we've hunted quite a bit in the past, it would be really nice to have a blind set up there. It's a good spot, and you're on the edge of a field, and there's enough cover, I would say, in the bush, but it's a bit of a pain the way the bush is set up. It's hard to explain, but it's all big spruce boughs, so by the time you're tucked in far enough, you have a hard time seeing other than straight out in front of you. And I'm the kind of guy that I like to be able to see what's going on out in the fields and that. So it'd be nice if I had the blind kind of right on the edge of the field and was still able to get like a 180-degree view of the field. The other reason why I want to get the blind out is because my girls this year are super pumped for turkey season, and so the oldest one anyway, she really wants to get out and do some turkey hunting with Dad. So and I think it's going to be a lot easier, more comfortable if I got that ground blind set up just to help conceal kind of her movement and her talking. And just for comfort wise, I think it's going to help. So yeah, like I said, hopefully tomorrow try and get that ground blind set up, and we'll kind of just go from there. But yeah, so we got a few more nights before we're going to actually be able to hunt, but it is what it is. And yeah, pretty pumped. So anyway, guys, bit of a different video, but she's turkey season, and that's what we're kind of gonna be up to for videos for the next little while. Probably is gonna be turkey hunting and putting up the ground blind and turkey scouting, so hopefully you guys enjoy that kind of stuff. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and make sure you guys subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button if you guys do like turkey hunting. And until next time, ciao.